I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to download your account statements from Mastercard, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account statements. Once logged in, look for the account statements section in the main menu. This is usually found under account services or statements. Step 3. Select the statement period. Choose the specific time frame for the statement you want to download. You can typically select for monthly, quarterly, or yearly options. Step 4. Download the statement. After selecting the period, click the download button next to the statement you want. It will usually be in PDF format for easy viewing. Step 5. Save the file. Once the file is downloaded, make sure to save it in a location on your device where you can easily find it later, like your Documents folder. Remember, if you encounter any issues, double check your internet connection or try clearing your browser cache. Happy downloading!